actually plowed at this driveway and the shop driveway around 3:30. I come out at 6 o'clock. I couldn't make it out this driveway with this plow. 3/4 ton duramax diesel, 8'6" Boss V plow, and I couldn't make it in this driveway after only about 4 hours of not doing anything. So I did as best I could, sort of got a little pile at the far end of the driveway there where I just come from, and then I used that Ariens 30-inch blower right there. Or actually, I don't know if you were able to see it, my plow might have been in the way. And I spent about an hour and a half with that thing at the end of the driveway. First time the plow wasn't able to get me out of the driveway, and I was even out there every 4 hours, but still this afternoon this blizzard, I don't know, 60, 70, 80 centimeters, 3 feet. Don't know how much we got yet. Anyway, I don't know. It's probably pretty hard to tell on video, but either side of my driveway coming down is a good 2.5 feet higher than the driveway. And if there was no snow, you'd see there is a 1 foot drop off on the right hand side there as it's coming down, and about a 2.5 foot drop off on the other side. And big open, like there's probably an acre and a half to the left there where it's all wide open and it just keeps dropping. So it's pretty rare that the bank of snow along the whole yard gets filled up like that. And well, this winter it has, and caused a bit of headache to try and get out here. Now I don't even think I'm going to be able to get in. I don't know if you can tell how bad it is. Like, I can't see. I'm in my own yard that I know, and still tricky to see. Now, I live at the bottom of the hill surrounded by trees. The whiteouts would be way worse throughout the rest of the island and other exposed areas. Anyway, we'll see. I'm going to head down, see if we can get over to the shop, in the shop driveway now. I have my doubts. Also there, we'll see. Can you see the house? No, it's too dark. But, yeah, anyway. Head over here, see what this snow looks like. Luckily though, here, with the storms, they get so bad by times, they pull the plows right off the road, so I don't have any worries. And I got a laneway across the road from my driveway right here, and that's what I'm doing. I've been driving across the road. This is where I've been turning around. I'm on the road now. Now I'm on the other side of the road, and I get to pile a bunch of snow right here. And with no plows on the road, I know there's no plows on the road. They've been called off. I don't have to look. I just go. When the plows finally do come back on the roads, I know it won't be to the middle of the night, 3 o'clock. It might not even be till tomorrow morning. And they'll be coming through with a V-plow doing about 5-10 kilometers an hour anyway, so plenty of times where I've seen them coming, and it's no big deal. So I don't know if I can. Yeah, I might be able to. So that's the road right there. I'm trying to get from my driveway over to my shop driveway, which is right next door. And, yeah, that looks like almost 2 feet of snow in the middle of the road. And I had this cleared out 3 hours ago.